So today is our first sea day. The entire day is at sea. Tomorrow we'll be in Cabo. The weather is not looking good today. And, hey, someone farted. And there's a tropical storm rolling through, which may affect our ability to go to Cabo. Bottom line is, we're still gonna have fun either way. If you didn't watch our first video from yesterday, go and check it out. We had a great time getting on the cruise ship, exploring, having fun, going to dinner. After dinner last night, we dropped Aiden off at the babysitting that they offer at Camp Carnival, which was great because it allowed us to go to the show, and then we went to the comedy show afterwards, and then we picked him up around 12:30. He was asleep, brought him back to the room, and here we are now, ready. Aiden, right in the face. I don't know. Ready to go out and explore, have another fun day. Today is our day at sea, and tomorrow we're going to be in Cabo. There was some talk about maybe missing Cabo tomorrow because of weather, but the weather is improving, so it's looking good for Cabo. Tonight's the first formal, kind of dressier night of the cruise, so that should be fun. It's always nice. I always enjoy getting dressed up and going to dinner. Just, you know, it feels good when you put on a suit. And so we're gonna go to dinner tonight, maybe take some photos beforehand, then the show afterwards, maybe the comedy show again because there's another comedy show and another comedian, and that's about it. You know, cruising is what you make of it. It can be as relaxing and mellow as you want. You can just kind of do your own thing and stay out of the way of everybody else, or you can get involved with all the activities and the shows and dinners and everything else. So we tend to be somewhere in the middle. You know, we enjoy going to the shows. We enjoy going to the nice dinners. We enjoy getting dressed up, taking some photos. Dropped Aiden off at the babysitting. He loves it. He didn't even say goodbye. He just grabbed his name tag and ran right in. which is fantastic. That's one of the benefits of cruising, is the fact that there's so many activities to keep kids busy. And when the kids are busy, that means that the parents are out having fun. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the comedy show tonight and go to like a Broadway style show that they're also having. Probably finish up around midnight. Want to get a decent night rest because we're going to be hitting Cabo tomorrow. Unfortunately, because of a tropical storm, Mazatlan has been scratched from the itinerary, but it is what it is. We're still going to have a great time. Ay, ¿te gusta? So we finished the night at the comedy club, then we went to the casino, and then we picked up Aiden from babysitting. Midnight snack. That boy's hungry. Oh my goodness, I got so red. Look at that. Ay.
It hurts just to look at you.
Ay, it's so red. I put sunblock on today, and I still got red. Woo! Time to go to bed. Ready for bed? What are you still up for? Time for bed. Ready? Vamos a dormir. ¿Quieres night night? ¿Quieres night night? No? Okay. We got to go to bed. We'll see you in Cabo. Hey everybody, thanks for viewing the video, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and the thumbs up, right?